Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have your Apple ID, verified email, and phone. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac. Sign into iCloud if not signed in. Now navigate to Password and Security. This is the first actionable step to change credentials. You need current account access to proceed. If you lack access, use Account Recovery now, otherwise continue. Make sure your device is updated. Outdated OS can block newer password rules. You're ready to craft the new password. Aim for at least 12 characters combining uppercase, lowercase, digits, and symbols. This reduces brute force risk. Once you draft a candidate, check it for common words, dates, or repeated sequences. Those weaken security. If you have Apple Keychain or a password manager, generate a random string and save it. This prevents reuse and mistyping. Make sure the password meets Apple's current complexity rules and type it slowly the first time to avoid lockouts. Now finalize the change. Enter the new password in Password and Security, then sign out and back into iCloud on each device to refresh keys and sync data. Once signed in, verify trusted phone numbers and 2FA methods. These help with future recovery. If something goes wrong, like repeated password rejections or account lock, you may need to use Account Recovery or contact Apple support. One key tip: keep one trusted device online during recovery. It often receives verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.